last decade, so much research and so much community voice has really lended itself to be able to create more programs and more resources for caregivers of very young children, because there's such a significant period in young people's lives to ensure that families are fully supported to be able to engage their young person and get them ready for kindergarten.
Neighborhoods Ready for School is a place-based initiative launched by First 5 Alameda County in 2018 to support equity and neighborhood-led investment, programming, and policy related to early childhood development, family health and well-being, and kindergarten readiness.
We know how important and vital it is for everyone's well-being and success, and not only just for today, but for the future of our communities and our well-being.
San Antonio Family Resource Center, First 5, so many important partners. Partnerships essential for system change. If it weren't for partnerships, you wouldn't be able to get together to ask for more resources. First 5 has been tremendous. They were our first big grant where we were able to hire sort of our first full-time staff and really build out our 0 to 5 programming in the area. And they really funded us to be on the street, in the parks, to reach families where they're at and not necessarily have to come into a school site or a early childhood site in order to receive services and have programming.
It's one of those structural investments to be made that provides access and supports the conditions that allow for thriving. And we ought to strive in public policy to make sure that those conditions are accessible for all.
You can gain a lot from participating in this program. You can gain a community space, parents, a community of parents all coming together, resources.
Receiving support from a place-based Neighborhoods Ready for School initiative was associated with higher kindergarten readiness overall, and families reported using more community resources.
I think community is the key to creating systems of change. Our communities got the way they are because the people didn't understand the power that they had if they came together and worked together.
As a kid who grew up here in Oakland, I benefited from the exact conditions that we must and need to create. We need to surround our kids with the love and support that allows them to physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually be prepared.
Neighborhoods Ready for School grantees are community-based partners and leaders working to ensure that children and families can more easily and consistently access resources and support networks.
We know that being healthy and being well has everything to do with your environment, and that includes the community that you're in. We have so many amazing assets within our communities. Investments in neighborhood-based programming really help to lift up those assets and strengthen them so that our children have them to rely upon over the years.